Prime Day will be October 13th this year in 2020. I'll tell you what it means and why the sudden announcement will come from Amazon any moment now. My name is Stephen Pope, and I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. We saw the news come in from every news outlet, from The Verge to Fox News. Basically, an internal Amazon email got leaked. It's been confirmed from multiple resources that Prime Day will be October 13th. So if we look at the calendar here, you can see October 13th is a Tuesday and a Wednesday. We know that the best day of sales on Amazon is generally Monday, then Sunday, followed by Tuesday through Saturday in that order. So for them to pick the Tuesday and Wednesday, it kind of makes sense. They're trying to ramp some sales on some additional sales days. So here's the position that I have. I don't think you'll see anywhere else. I don't think you should run any discounts for Prime Day this year. I really don't. I think that we're going to see such massive stockouts this year that you will not want to be out of stock come December 2nd. And I kind of picked that date magically. Follows Black Friday weekend. And I think that we're going to see massive stockouts. Your competitors are going to be out of stock. You're going to be scrambling at the last minute to figure out what to do with your stock. You're going to shut off your PPC. So why give away your margins this year? Prime Day is going to be a random holiday in the middle of an unscheduled October 13th time frame. It's not going to be worth it to participate with a discount. You're still going to see your sales go up on this day. You can still put in a list price and a strike through and all that good stuff, but I would not run a discount this year. There may be some exceptions to my opinion. Let's say you got 2,000 more stock than you think you can sell by December 31st. Sure, okay, run a discount. But I do not believe for the majority of sellers that it's a good idea this year to sell with a discount on Prime Day or on a lightning deal or a deal of the day or even a coupon going into Black Friday weekend or Cyber Monday. And quite frankly, we've seen some stores already announce they're not even going to be open on Black Friday this year, or Thanksgiving rather, like Walmart and Target, I believe. So it really, I went out and tried to buy a part to my dishwasher this week. My dishwasher, which I bought 14 months ago, just a couple months going over that warranty time frame, right? So we're calling up all, the manufacturer, and they're like, yeah, this part's out of stock until next year. We don't know when this part's going to be available. And it ended up being more just sensical or logical because, I don't want the wife and I have to do dishes by hand. We went ahead and made the family decision to go ahead and just buy a brand new dishwasher, even though the one we own is literally 14 months old, because we didn't want to live without it. That is the current state of affairs of the supply chain right now. Our HVAC unit, also fairly brand new, had the engine motor part of some kind go out, and again, parts are hard to find. So I'm telling you, the supply chain is so shaky right now that unless you already have a year supply of stock, you should not be running a discount this year for any holiday. If you run a 20% discount or a 30% discount for Prime Day, but you go out of stock on December 2nd, you're going to remember this video and be like, well, gave away my margin, now I'm going out of stock. Whoops. Don't do that. Run some extra PPC, get some margin, sure. Grab some traffic. Do not give away your margin this year. You are lucky to have stock. Your competitors are going to stock out. Almost guaranteed by December. Like under normal circumstances, gift type items go out of stock in December. Under normal circumstances. This year, I'm predicting 100% year over year sales traction increase. So imagine the crap show we're going to see when that happens. So according to The Verge, we're probably going to see an official announcement about Prime Day on September 27th. With it being leaked today, I suspect we'll see that quicker, most likely. We know that Amazon's kept a tight lid on Prime Day, mostly because they weren't really sure what to do with it. Quite frankly, their supply chain was in shambles. You can't even get a hold of somebody at seller support right now by phone. And same goes with AdWords. You can't get a hold of somebody for Google Ads by phone right now. Quite frankly, even PayPal. Like, all of these companies are just at the brink of barely functioning as companies. So that's why I think that Prime Day was fumbled this year. They were going to push it to August, and they were going to push it to September, and now it's in October. Here we go. And it's going to be so close to the Christmas season kickoff. Maybe that's their way of just jump-starting the Christmas season a little early this year with some pent-up demand potential. Who knows? Maybe the facilities at FBA are so chock full of stuff, they're like, well, we better start moving this stock because there's no room left. We saw news about Amazon going to hire 100,000 different additional employees. We saw news that they're going to add 1,000 mini warehouses in the suburbs. So they're making some big movements right now, but it still won't be enough, and it definitely won't be fast enough for this Q4. It is going to be so interesting to see if companies can just get through the year this year. I think that if you just get back to the basics, just make sure your supply chain is intact, keep stuff in stock, and just check the boxes on the basics, that's what you should do this year. We're spending a lot of time working on listing optimizations and advertising functionality. We recently actually just made some really cool new macros for advertising that's significantly cut down on our manual labor to manage advertising and gotten a lot more sophisticated. So here at My Amazon Guy, we're spending a lot of time trying to increase our sophistication. But I'm serious when I say, don't run coupons this year. Everybody and their dogs is going to run coupons, and they're going to stock out, and you're going to be the last man standing with your margin. And it's a margin's forgotten frequently in e-commerce. Like, there's 4 core principles in e-commerce you need to follow. Sell more product to more people more often. Those first 3 things are almost always checked. Like, everybody gets those 3 pretty much. But the 4th and most forgotten one is for more money. Sell more products to more people more often for more money. And I think it behooves you this year to play that 4th card. Sell more products to more people more often for more money in Q4 of 2020. So that's my thought. If you would like to have us run some of your advertising this year, during Q4 especially, good time. Check us out at myamazonguy.com. We have some best-in-class advertising techniques to generate as much traffic to your listings while not giving away your margin this year. My name is Stephen Pope, and I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy.